Once upon a time, in the vast desert, there lived a mother camel and her baby. One day, while they were walking through the dunes, the baby camel asked, "Mother, why do we have humps?" The mother camel smiled and said, "Our humps are special. They store water, which helps us survive when there's no water around. We can travel long distances across the desert without needing to stop and drink." The baby camel thought for a moment, then asked, "And why are our feet so round?" The mother camel explained, "Our feet are wide and round to help us walk on the soft sand. If our feet were smaller, we would sink into the sand, but these wide feet help us stay on top and walk easily." The baby camel blinked and asked again, "And what about our long eyelashes?" The mother camel gently brushed her baby's face with her nose. "Our long eyelashes protect our eyes from the desert's dust and sand. They shield our eyes during a storm so we can still see clearly." The baby camel, feeling proud of all the special features, nodded. "So our humps help us store water, our feet help us walk, and our eyelashes protect our eyes. We're perfectly built for the desert." But after a moment of thought, the baby camel asked, "Then why are we here in the zoo? This isn't the desert. There's no sand, no sun, and no heat." The mother camel paused, thinking carefully. "You're right, my dear. We're far from the desert now. But even here, we're still camels. We still carry the desert inside us with our humps, our feet, and our lash. Sometimes life takes us to unexpected places, but we remain strong and true to who we are." The baby camel smiled and realized that no matter where they were, they would always be camels, built for the desert and adapted to survive. Moral of the story: no matter where life takes us, the qualities that make us who we are will always stay with us.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.